Gradients can be combined in millions of ways in Affinity Photo to create all kinds of unique designs. How to do this in under 2 minutes. Select any shape. I'm going to go with the ellipse tool and create that. Hold down the shift if you want it to be circular. Then go to the gradient tool and drag and create a gradient. You can also go to the swatches panel, which you can find in the window menu, and select gradient. Then go to a layer and down to duplicate linked. And you see now you've got 2 layers. They're linked. So any change to one will be changed in the other one. But what you can also do is you can rotate one of the ellipses. So use the move tool and rotate. And you can repeat this. You can go to layer and duplicate linked and again rotate, layer, duplicate linked, rotate. And of course you can do this 15 or 20 times. Once you've done that, go over here to the layers panel and set the blend mode to difference or any of the others. I'm going to go with difference, and you can see result in this kind of very extreme design. But at any point you can always go to the swatches panel again and click on another gradient, and you can see straight away you get this color combination. You can reposition the gradient, and as you move it around you can see you can create all kinds of really extreme color effects very quickly. But also you can go to the layers panel down the bottom and click effects. Click there and then go to bevel and emboss. Give it a bevel maybe, but you can also go down here to a gradient overlay. So click there, highlight it, and then go to a blend mode, and again go for difference. Now unfortunately the gradient does not have access to the swatches. So click there, change the colours. So I'm going to go for orange, add another stop, purple, and maybe green. And you can add, of course, multiple different colours. You've got difference there, linear, but you can also go for radial if you wish, and you can reposition it using the scale as well as offset. And as you do that, they will all change. They're all still linked, even with this effect. You can also add additional ones. So if you want, click plus. And then you can reposition that. So again, let's just change the offset Y, change the angle, anything, depending obviously if it's linear or radial. And as you do that, again, the gradient will change. Close. Now they all have got the same effects. Also, if you wish, you don't want this sort of design, but you want maybe a spiral design, you can always add a twirl to it. So deselect everything. So we go to the move tool, deselect, and then go to a layer, new live filter layer, distort, and twirl. Twirl is added above, and you can change the angle, change the radius, as well as the origin point, and create all kinds of unique designs. Close the panel. At the same time, you can always go back to any of these ellipses, select there, go to the gradient tool and modify the gradient. And as you do that, the entire design will change and recolour.